Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger, and this one we're gonna talk about Supreme Week 2, which has a clean ass pair of sneakers coming out, the Dunks, which has a clean ass pair of Dunks coming out, hey, to me. But we'll get into all that in a little bit. If y'all doing up enjoying this one, leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel for more streetwear or sneaker related content. I don't really want to bore y'all too much, but I do have a couple items for sale on Astro Bodega. I got this McDonald's apple pie in a size 2X hoodie for sale. For all my big homies out there, this Supreme shoulder bag is for sale as well. I think I got it listed for like $110 plus ship. I literally wore this shit like once or twice. This FTP shoulder bag is for sale as well. I also put this FTP jacket up for sale. This runs like a XL. This is like a 2X, but it's like an oversized XL almost. You got that big branding on the back of this one. I got this one up for like 100 plus ship. Let me know if you guys are interested in any of those items, but let's get straight into this video. Alright fam, so y'all see that we back seated in the seat and we about to go through this drop list. I'm gonna start from the bottom of this list and work my way up to the top where the heat is, but we gonna start with the doo-doo items first this time. We got this Knowledge Reigns beanie. Honestly, this shit is weak, bruh. Like, this shit is straight weak juice. I'm not even gonna try to focus on this shit too much. This that beet juice right here. Like, this beanie is straight ass. We got the double S 5 panel. This one comes in like 5 colors. Honestly, that cream color and the brown are solid, but besides that, I'd probably stick away from that one. This Dubs hooded sweatshirt almost gives me like Kanye vibes since his whole shit is Dubs right now, basically. But this is the long-lived Supreme hoodie. There's too much going on this one, bro. I don't know how I feel about it. There's 3 colors and neither of them are calling my attention enough to buy it. If I were to buy it though, it would be in that blue color. Personally, I have way too many Supreme hoodies. I'm literally about to get rid of some and I don't need any of these right here. Like, I wouldn't even wear these, so I'm good on it, low key. But let me know what y'all think about this Doves hoodie. I don't know if it's catching a lot of flack, but personally, that shit is ass. We got the Mary work shirt. This one got like a cross on it, hella shit on it. I don't know what is going on this one. It says Supreme under it and like a ARC logo vibe. This shit is bro, like, come on. But yeah, man, the Mary work shirt, doo-doo, definitely not coming home with me. Shit is weak. You got the Stitch Jacquard camp cap. This is another one of those items, fellas, that this one gonna sit for this shit right here, but the price ain't right, bro. I don't think $40 is even good for this. Put this shit on 50% off, we might be talking, but it's too steep, like too steep, bro. Like, why you doing this? This one's a dub for sure. Definitely don't need that one. We got the AOI glow in the dark track jacket, and if I'm not mistaken, they probably got the hoodie as well. We do got the AOI glow in the dark set. This is the pair of pants. Honestly, I am liking the black pair. I don't really think I'd go for it though. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. You do got the jacket as well, and I like this jacket honestly because it's black and white. I don't know what's going on with the design. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Then you got that little boom bang with the glow in the dark. Like, that's actually not bad, bro. Like, that's cool. That's cool. I know I'm not tripping. There's only one glow in the dark color. I thought at least the olive could have that glow in the dark effect. Yo, we gonna have to leave this shit alone, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But next up on the list, we got the BB Simon, whatever you want to call them, regular jeans over here. These have studs all down the side of them. They bugging. They are bugging. Like, what is going on? You can't even tailor. I don't even know what is going on, bro. Like, these gonna go probably for like $500. No, like, what? I don't know, bro. But these pants right here are tripping. They are at the bottom for a reason. You got the bad short sleeve top. This bad short sleeve top comes in 6 different colors. Honestly, the brown, the black, and that gray aren't terrible, but I don't know if I'd be willing to pay that top price. Is this even embroidered? I don't even know if this shit's embroidered or not. I don't think so, so I don't know, bro. It's not. Yeah, this one just looks like a mediocre shirt. I'm not even gonna really think about it too much. You got this beaded logo short sleeve. This one basically has these beads making up the word Supreme. Nothing too special. Once again, this one comes in 5 different colorways. I do like that tealish color in the middle, but the design on this one is ass, so it's just a throwaway. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. We do got this Gore-Tex Polar Tech long bill camp cap. I don't know what I just said, but this shit comes in 4 colors. This is the long beak bitch. Like, it's gonna be long as fuck. Like, you got a long ass sun visor on your shit. This the one that's transparent that the girls be playing tennis in. You know what I'm talking about, the pink ass shit or the neon neon one, that's this bitch right here, but this one got a little bit more color to it. Low key, this shit is so ass, bro. Like, who the hell wants a hat that gonna be like this? You can't even see, bro. You can't even drive with this shit on. Low key, people won't even be able to see your eyes with this shit on. Like, this shit is just ass. Like, please, bro. We do got the studded puffer jacket, which out of the BB Simmons shit, I think this is probably one of the better pieces. I like the way that the studs are on it. It just adds a little bit of flair to this puffy jacket. I see why it's not at the bottom of the list, but I also see why it's not at the top of the list. It's nothing too special, too over the top. It's just another jacket, you know what I'm saying? They got some BB Simmons studs on it, and that's all it really is. I don't really see this going for too much resale wise. I feel like retail's already gonna be high enough. We already spoke about this jacket, so I'm not really gonna talk about it. You got the fuck sweater. This is one of those pieces that Supreme does once in a while. They do the fuck you. Supreme has this thing where once in a while they drop some explicit ass shit. Like, they've done some fuck you tees before. You got this one right here, and then you got the one with literally the finger. Like, bro, they be bugging. Like, I don't really think I'd wear something like this. Is a little too loud. It don't even look good. Like, it just literally says it all over it, so I'm good on that. This Gore-Tex reversible Polar Tech jacket, kind of fire. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This shit is hard, bro. I gotta go ahead and look at this in detail. This one is a banger. I really do like this color. This greenish tone is everything to me. Low-key, I feel like I might have to go for this. This one's red on the inside with the fleece, and the outside has like that minty-ish washed sage color that is beautiful. You got the tonal Supreme branding. I just feel like it's fire, bro. I ain't even know this bitch was releasing. Pink one isn't that bad, but the pink that they went with is a little too loud. Like, if it was a soft like pastel pink, that would have been hard. It's more like a stronger bubblegum pink. I'm good on that. Black with the olive fleece on the inside of that shit is so cold, bro. That shit is fire. Let me know what y'all think about this jacket. This is my favorite one. I like the fact that it's half black and half red, so it's not like a all red ass jacket. This might be a cop if I don't get the dunks. So far, I don't think there's resale on any of these items. If there's anything that I feel like might do good, and it might be because I'm biased, is this jacket right here. The one with the sage green on the inside. I think it's clean. Maybe that's just a unpopular opinion, but that's my take on it. Now we made our way to the top of the list where there's supposed to be the better items releasing. First, we got these Brazil colored dunks. This is not my favorite colorway for the dunks. I will get to it when I get to it, you feel me? These right here just nah. There's the studded BB Simmons dog leash, bro. If you're trying to have your dog flexed up from the neck up, bro, this is what you need right here. There's 3 different colors if you're trying to spend $300, and they're not just coming out with the dog leash. They got the dog collar, bro. Come on, for probably $300. Like, this is probably gonna go for some bread. All 3 colors is, hey, how do I even judge this, bro? Like, I don't know. It looks cool. We're gonna leave it at that. Dog leash, dog collar, make you holler, bro. I'm good on all that shit. We do got the inset pants. These are actually not that bad. I do like that wash color. I really wish it was tapered at the bottom. That would make these not terrible. Like, yeah, nah, I think I'm good. I wouldn't probably wear these, bro. They have Supreme big is fuck on the side. Like, one of those items that I probably wear, take a picture, if that, and that's it. Like, obviously, if you got the pants, you gotta have the jacket. This one is probably better than the pants. I'm not gonna lie to you. I do like the way that it's on the back of the jacket, so it's more subtle on the front. It's not too much. I honestly like this sand wash color. It's something different. It is still blasted on it, but the way that it's angled off, you can't really see it all at once, and it looks better. Let me know if y'all agree with me in the comments. I like that little sub tag at the bottom too. It looks pretty cool. This denim color isn't bad. The one that I don't really like is the black one, because like I said before, it pops a little bit too much. On the denim one is subtle. On this creamish one, it's subtle, and then on this one, it's just loud as fuck. Next, we got the raised hand style hoodie. This one comes in 6 different colorways. My favorite being the black, the gray, and the tan. I feel like those are the ones that stand out in my opinion. The red one isn't bad as well. This is just an overall clean hoodie. I like the tag style on it, and hey, I'm a sucker for graffiti, so this isn't that bad, and I see why it would be near the top of the list because it's a banger item. And honestly, let me know if y'all gonna be going for this one. That red color low-key looks fire. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Right here we got the Brazil inspired dunks, the yellow with the green. These aren't that bad, but honestly, I can't really even see myself wearing these shits. They look cool for what it is, but if I were to even wear something like this, I'd probably just get the Brazils, unless these go for less. But then again, it's not the same, so I'm good on this colorway. This is not my favorite by far. It doesn't look that bad. I just feel like they could have done a little better, maybe cream and green, black and green, bro, like something different. We good on this color. Second, you got the navy with the red, which this one is not that bad. I'm not gonna lie, this actually looks clean. I love the fact that the insole has the sup and then the eam on the other side. It's like Supreme, if you could kind of see it. Definitely fire. I love the no love on the side of the shoe. It's something different. The no love on the side of it, you could kind of see that they were trying to play with it a little bit more than what people regularly do. These are actually clean. It's probably my second favorite color. This color right here is definitely the better one, bro. Hands down, that black with the white. Ooh. Ooh, these shits is cold, bro. Like freezing below zero, bro. These shits is so cold. I definitely need these. I feel like I'd pay resell for this pair right here. Maybe it's an unpopular opinion. Again, take all this shit with a grain of salt, because it's all opinion based. Obviously, if you hate this color and love the Brazils, bro, that's your opinion. I just wear black all the time, so black and white, fire, bro. Come on. So wearable, so clean. These are fire. Like, I can't put it any other way. It looks like the same style from the reverse fragment Travis Scott's. Color on the inside and white on the out. I feel like if the outsole on these was cream, take my money. Take my money, bro. If the outsoles was cream, take my money. Think about it. That shit would be so fire, bro. Definitely deserves the #1 spot on this list. I see it. I feel it. I definitely feel it. These are loud, bro. Like, yeah, these bitches is cold. Look at the leather. It's tumbled, bro. It just looks perfect. Low key. Ooh. Let's go on stocky. So right above me, you can see that I got all 3 colors pulled up. You can actually buy them right now before release for around $400. I feel like that's not too bad considering that they haven't even dropped, and that means that once they do drop, hopefully they're not going to be an arm and a leg, because they're already not an arm and a leg. So I'm actually excited about that. I'm gonna be able to get these, and that's a good thing. Out of all these dunks, the black and white one in this corner right here are my favorites. I just don't want these shits to go up too high so that I can actually purchase them. So that was the last item coming out for this week. Let me know what you're gonna be going for in the comments. I'm still focusing on the dunks. I feel like that's the big mama for this week, so that's probably what I'm gonna go for. But if y'all enjoyed this video, man, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. And with all that being said, I'm not gonna waste no more of your time. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.